Hi guys, here we have Karina's Steam Vac 5 brush, which works fine except for one thing. The water tank has a valve missing. So this unit here from Goodwill, $14 on sale, has a perfectly good tank. And it fits on her unit, and solves the problem. Works perfectly. And the brush goes around. Also, the unit from Goodwill has a waste tank on it, which is identical. And so we now have a spare waste tank as well. In addition to that, there was another unit there, a newer model, which was complete for a little bit more money. It was $29.95 or $23 actually on sale. It works perfectly as well. As a matter of fact, it's a little higher wattage. It's 12 amps instead of 8 amps. So both units work perfectly, and Karina has her option of which or both to keep. Voila! Have a good one.